Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This time I will show you my spaceship, my biggest spaceship. Literally not spaceship, but airplane. So it has 5 laser cannon and 1 quad laser cannon. This is the laser cannon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the quad laser cannon. And it can carry 2 small spaceships for 1 person each. This is 1 for 1. It's fast in my imagination. It's fast. This in my imagination so fast because has 2 turbo cannon, not turbo cannon, turbo engine. 2, and look at it, the size of it, so big, right? And it can like this, can vertical landing and vertical take off. Okay, go into the ship. It has 2 turbo engine, like the tiny one, and 2 small engine, jet engine, and what? Yeah. Oh, the door, back door. Look at it. So the people can jump in the sky. Whee! Like what? I don't know what the name. So to open it up, we open this, so we can open this also. Ta-da! And inside we have 1 speeder for 2 person. It broke. I will repair it now, and ta-da! It's done. This is the speeder with 2 laser cannon also and 1 turbine. And the spaceship can carry 2 spaceship, 1 speeder, and 5 person. 1 is the pilot. This is the pilot. Sit in 360-degree chair. And in my last video, I think I made the chair. So if you want to check it up. And this is the weapon for war, and this is the bed. 1 there, and 2 chairs for sit, of course, sit that, and 1 for the pilot. Okay, this is for this video, and comment down below what Lego creation should I build next, and subscribe and smash the bell or click the bell. Thanks for watching.